Hey everyone, it's Sabrina. I am going to do another week in the life process video. This is Wednesday. I've already picked out all the die cut pieces that I want to use. I'm sticking with orange, black, and yellow. And I'm doing the same thing for my transparency cover. I'm doing a large heart that I cut out in my Cameo, and then stamping Wednesday, and then a 3, and then I'm going to layer it all together on the transparency along with a cork and then a word sticker. So lots of different pieces and variety for my transparency cover, and I love it. It turns out great. And I'm also going to use my mini attacher. I probably use it too much, but I love it, and it adds just a little extra something to the page. And then I am going to work on adding a little something to the photo of my kids. The one thing that I want to try to use is some of the thicker die cuts or cardstock pieces, like this one that says current routine. So I'm going to use that one and then staple on a heart. I think it's 2 hearts that I staple on, and then I'm going to move on to the next page. The next page is going to be about a bike ride, because that's how we started our day. My husband went to buy me a bike because I didn't have one. I hadn't had one since college. Well, I still had the college bike, but it just wasn't working anymore. So we got me a new bike, and I took a picture of it, and then I put a chipboard that I die cut that says good day, and then I was trying to staple the heart and it was just not working, so I got the staple out, and then I am going to reattach it and try again. It's just the heart and the chipboard were not connecting like I wanted them to, so I needed to try again. I'm going to use this quote card and then also a white asterisk chipboard. I wanted the chipboard to be whole, but it accidentally separated, so I just glued the pieces together, called it done. Okay, so these are some photos on our actual bike ride. My husband took one of me, and then I took some of the flowers, and then we wound up riding by a dam. So I took a picture of that, and then so I'm gonna just put a word sticker at the bottom of the photo of us, and then the die cut Wednesday, and a few hearts, because I go crazy with the hearts and the mini attacher, and that's okay. For the photo of me, I have love this, and then a heart, and then I staple it, and then I move on to the next page. The next page is a 6x8 photo of the dam. Just the way it worked out, I had an extra spot for a 6x8, and so I decided to use this photo. I thought it was really pretty, and so I just added in 3 little pieces and called it done. This photo is picking up my kids, and so I used that die cut that says taking care of all the things, because I was running to and fro. And then my son sitting in the car seat right there, I think he had a field trip, so that's why there was a car seat, or maybe my daughter had a field trip. Somebody did, because that's why there was a car seat on the playground. And I am just layering in the hearts and the word stickers and then stapling, and then I will move on to the next page. I had a parent meeting this Wednesday, and so my husband had to do ballet practice. And I told him to take a picture because it was week in the life, but I never expected this picture with the selfie, and so it is so priceless. I absolutely love it. It's become one of the all-time favorites of my husband and my son, so I just love it. So I added in a real chipboard piece that says the stuff of today, added in a red die cut heart that I cut out, and then I did another repeat stamping of Wednesday. And for the photo of my daughter in her outfit, I used one of the adhesive badges that said today. And then I had to get another 6x8 that I actually didn't have, and I found it. My kids got to have a special dinner because Dad was in charge. So I just got a photo of them eating their fast food, and then I'm going to use another one of those thicker cardstock pieces and then layer on some hearts and staple it, and then I will have this photo in the album. Love how the kids are just looking at me like, Mom, why are you taking a picture of me eating? I just love that. So this photo of me getting ready, I had to take a shower. I don't know why I took a shower in the middle of the day. I can't remember. But I took a shower before the parent meeting, and then afterwards my mom friends and I went to a local restaurant that we absolutely love. That was kind of our thing back then to do after parent meetings. So I have a picture of the chips and salsa, and I used the fork and knife chipboard, just the one that I cut out with a cameo, and then layered in a heart and a word sticker. And for these two photos, I just decided to use a 4x6 cardstock piece of paper and glue them together. It's totally fine and it works. And I used the chipboard that says making time and then added in a sticker, and that's it. So the last part is going to be my son reading to his sister. I came home from the meeting and I saw them reading together, and I just thought it was just so sweet and so adorable. So I'm going to get a little fancier with the top card. I'm using Wednesday, and then I'm going to layer on, of course, the hearts and the word stickers. But I decided to use the yellow alphas that came in the kit, and I'm going to painstakingly, because you know my fingers don't always work great, lay out the alphabet so that way it spells bedtime stories with bro, because that's what my daughter calls her brother sometimes. Well, most of her life she's called him bro. Now that she's nearly 8, it's not, the cool name to call him now. But she loves reading with her brother. So my pages are done, and now I'm going to put them in the album. And of course, I am not going to put them in the actual page protectors because I still need to take photos. But I am done with Wednesday, and I absolutely love it. So just, again, sticking with the pieces that I've cut out with my cameo, and then word stickers and the mini attacher, and it just makes it come together so quick. So I hope you guys enjoyed this process video. I would love a thumbs up or a subscribe if you are new to my channel. Thanks so much for watching, and have a great day. Bye!